Question number 3. We are asked to factorize s squared minus 7s plus 6. Step 1 is for us to multiply the first term by the last term. The first term is s squared and the last term is plus 6. So s squared times plus 6 is going to give us plus 6s squared. Then we look for factors of what? Plus 6s squared. That when we times is going to give us exactly plus 6s squared. And when we add them, we are going to have minus 7x. And that brings us to the use of the two negative negative. When you are given a quadratic equation that we have a minus and plus, all you need to do, both number must be what? Negative, negative. Let's start. The factors of plus 6s squared that will give us what? Plus 6s squared. And when we add them, that we are going to have minus 7x are 1 is minus 1x and minus 6x. Why? Minus 1x and minus 6s will give us what? Minus 7x. And when we times them, we are going to have plus 6s squared. That is minus times minus is plus. 1 times 6 is 6 and s times s is s squared. And that gives us plus 6s squared. Then since we have gotten the number to replace minus 6x, we're going to replace minus 7x with 1x minus 6x. Then we have s squared minus 1x minus 6 plus 6. We open bracket and put x squared minus 1x, we close it, minus open bracket 6s plus 6, we close it. When you look, you find out that what? Both of them have x in common. We factor x out and we have x minus 1 close bracket minus, then when you look at the other side, both of them have 6. We factor minus 6 out, we have what? X minus 1 bracket close. How do we get that minus 1? That is plus 6 divided by minus 1. Then we are going to have what? Minus 1. Then we pick x minus 6 and we pick x minus 1. And that is the factorization of what? S squared minus 7x plus 6 is equals to open bracket s minus 6 close bracket and open bracket s minus 1 close bracket. Thank you. I hope you understand. Question number 4. We are asked to factorize s squared plus x minus 12. The first thing we have to do is to multiply the first term by the last term. The first term is s squared and the last term is minus 12. So s squared times minus 12 is going to give us minus 12s squared. From there, we look for the factors of what? Minus 12s squared. Those two numbers that when we add them, we are going to have minus 12s squared. And when we add them or subtract them, we are going to have plus x. And that comes the use of the plus and the minus. It means that the first number must be positive and must be big, and the second number must be what? Negative. First of all, the factors of 12 is plus 12 and minus 1. Plus 12 times minus 1 will give us what? Minus 12s squared. And 12 minus 1 will not give us what? 1. So plus 12 and minus 1 is not the factor to use. Let's move to the next number, which is 6 and minus 12. 6s times minus 12 will give us minus 12s squared. But when we subtract 6 minus 2x, we are going to have plus 4x. Then 6s and minus 2x is not the option. Let's go with what? 4x plus 4x and minus 3x. Plus 4x times minus 3x will give us minus 12s squared. And 4s minus what? 3x is going to give us what? Plus 1x. So the good number to use are plus 4x minus 3x. Let's replace 1x or plus x with what? Plus 4s minus 3s. Since plus 4s times minus 3s will give us minus 4 minus 12s squared, and plus 4s minus 3s is going to give us what? 1. Then we are going to have s squared plus 4s minus 3s minus 12. Then we have open bracket s squared plus 4s close bracket minus open bracket 3s minus 12s close your bracket. When you check, both of them have sx. So we are going to factor 1x out. We now have s plus 4 close bracket. Since 3 can divide itself and can also divide 12, we are going to have minus 3 outside. Then we now have x. How do we get the plus 4? That is what? Minus 12 divided by minus 3. Then we now have what? Plus 4. Then we pick x minus 3 and we pick s plus 4. And that is the factorization of what? S squared plus x minus 12. Thank you.